Secured credit card.
Hello, everybody. So today we're going to talk about secured credit cards. What are they, and what are some of the ways they can be used? All right, so what is it? Well, quite simply, it's pretty much what it sounds like. So say, for example, you wanted to get a secured credit card or had to get a secured credit card. You would go to a company that offers them. Off the top of my head, Discover, Capital One, Self for some examples, but there are many, many others. They're going to run your credit score, see what your history looks like, and they're going to come back with whatever it is. For example, they're going to say, you need to give us $500. That's the secured portion of a secured credit card. You're securing it with your own money. Then they're going to give you a credit card with a $500 limit. And then you can use that credit card as you would any other unsecured credit card. So why the difference? Why do you have to secure it? Well, a secured credit card is generally used in most cases to either build or repair your credit history. So if you're young, you haven't been using credit for many, many years and so have no current credit score, credit history, you could get a secured credit card to help build that history, to show the credit companies that you're a reliable risk. You're going to pay back your bills. You have the ability to pay back your bills, etc. The other way is to help repair your credit history, your credit score. So let's say you ran into issues. You made some bad decisions, whatever. Your credit history has taken a hit. And now the credit companies are like, nope, we're not giving you an unsecured credit card. Nope, we're not giving you that personal loan, whatever the case may be. So you're going to get a secured credit card to rebuild or repair your credit history, your credit score. That's why you can get a secured credit card for that reason. It allows you to learn or relearn how to use a credit or credit card responsibly and show that you can do it. And then from there, usually, most times, after a few months, usually no more than a year, sometimes even quicker than that, the company will say, hey, you know what? We're just going to allow you to take that secured credit card and we're going to transform it into an unsecured credit card. And then they would send you back your $500 in this instance. And you can put that into savings, investments, whatever you want to do with it. So anyway, let me know if you have any questions about secured credit cards or how you can use them. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye-bye.